In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Security Check Loop. So Venmo usually gives you a security check such as OTP as well as CAPTCHA. So Venmo actually asks this to verify that you're not a bot and you're actually the one that's signing in. It's also called two-factor authentication and bot verification. So in this, make sure as well that you never send or share code with anyone else other than yourself. If you have trouble signing in, you can head over and verify your information another way. And you can also reach out for Venmo if you're still on the loop about the security check or the reCAPTCHA. So for this case, head over and then try to contact the Venmo support using the Venmo at venmo.com. So on this case, you can head over and also try to go over to the support under the application themselves or to the support articles or website. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.